Thank you.
Hi guys, good morning. So we are currently here in Antipolo South in Pinto Art Museum. So we will be having breakfast here and at the same time lilibot kami because our friend from Cebu is here.
Ano ko taga
And from Caloocan. Ayan. So, itutur ko kayo dito sa Pinto Art Museum. So, our itinerary for today is itong Pinto Art, Cloud9, and then later magla-lunch kami sa Barrow Cafe. So, let's go! We just finished eating our breakfast at 11 a.m. and we are now heading to Cloud9 Antipolo. Alam niyo ba yung kampana?
Kampana? Hindi, di ba?
We just arrived here at Cloud9 Antipolo and I am currently standing in the hanging bridge. There. Ang hirap naman maglakad dito ng naka-heels. Bawal dito maglakad ng laseng. Charis! Climbing with heels.
Huwag mong galaw, te! Huwag mong igalaw! 1, 2, 3, go, go.
Wow, look at the view. So nice. So, pag andito ka sa Antipolo, I mean sa ibabaw ng Cloud9, makikita mo doon is yung City of Manila, Metro Manila. And then, sa kabilang side naman is yung Rizal Province. Puro bundok naman yung makikita mo sa kabila.
Marami na nagsishake.
Mga okla talaga sila. Okla yan. Pagkaakit mo dito, parang abandoned yung place. Parang binagyo siya. I don't know. Ang creepy. Ang creepy na place kasi parang abandonado na ewan.
May love lock siya.
Aya, mayroon ding love lock. Parang sa Korea or Paris. Tapos ito yung tower.
Welcome to Paris!
Bonjour! Currently here in our hostel and now we are going to High Street to have some coffee and
Our late lunch.
Yeah, late lunch and then dinner later at Din Tai Fung.
Yes.
So let's try BGC as a first timer.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hi guys.
Mabuhay! Welcome
Mabuhay,
to Philippines! Suway makmak!
We are
So,
so we just finished eating and
and we're planning to eat there again. There, sa Shake Shack.
Bakit chicks? Ano ba yan bukas?
Burger yan. Burger
Hindi pa siya open.
open.
Open yan! Hi guys! Welcome to our guys. Parang payat ko na talaga.
Mabuhay!
Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
The heart of the Filipinos.
So yeah, we are now here in Din Tai Fung. Hi!
Hello, welcome to Din Tai Fung.
So kumain kami ng lunch kanina.
And
4
p.m. Late lunch yun. Ngayon.
Early dinner. Pika-pika na lang tayo for today's video.
My way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all. I made it through the day, cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. I'm my way.
Ang sarap nito.
Cause I found my way, my way, my way. I'm my way, my way. I found my way.
Okay guys, so tonight we are heading to the queer club of the Philippines.
That is one of the most
Famous
famous
clubs.
clubs in Philippines.
So yeah, I'm one of them. So yeah, we are going to Nectar tonight.